Imagine a car that doesn't just move you forward, but takes you back in time while pushing you into the future. Welcome back to UrbanMotoLab, and today we're exploring something truly special. The all-new Tata Sierra.EV, a legendary name reborn in a completely electric avatar. And trust me, this is not just a car, it's an emotion coming back to life. The moment you lay your eyes on the Tata Sierra.EV, you instantly recognize that iconic silhouette, that signature boxy stance that made the original Sierra so special. But now it's blended beautifully with modern, futuristic design language. The result is a bold and premium road presence that feels both nostalgic and cutting edge at the same time. At the front, you get a clean and minimalistic EV design, with sleek LED DRLs stretching across the width, giving it a sharp and high-tech look. The closed-off grille instantly tells you that this is a pure electric machine, designed for efficiency and performance. The headlamps are neatly integrated, and the overall front profile looks aggressive, yet sophisticated. As you move to the side, that iconic large glass area, especially the rear quarter glass, instantly reminds you of the original Sierra. This is what truly sets this car apart from anything else on the road today. The flush door handles, strong shoulder lines, and stylish alloy wheels give it a premium SUV stance, making it look muscular, yet elegant. At the rear, the Tata Sierra.EV continues to impress with connected LED tail lamps, a clean tailgate design, and a futuristic look that perfectly complements the front. It's the kind of design that makes people turn their heads every time it passes by. Step inside, and this is where the Sierra.EV truly transforms into a next-generation experience. The cabin is expected to be extremely spacious, thanks to its electric platform, offering a flat floor and more legroom than traditional SUVs. Premium materials, soft touch finishes, and a minimalist dashboard design create a luxurious and modern environment. The dashboard is likely to feature a large touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and possibly even a dual-screen setup, giving you a high-tech cockpit feel. Wireless connectivity, smartphone integration, voice commands, and connected car technology will make every journey smarter and more convenient. Comfort is taken seriously here, with wide seats, ample headroom, and a lounge-like rear seating experience. Whether you're driving in the city or going on a long highway journey, the Tata Sierra.EV is designed to keep you relaxed and comfortable throughout. Now let's talk about what truly matters in an EV: performance and range. The Tata Sierra.EV is expected to come with a powerful electric motor setup, delivering instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a silent driving experience. The moment you press the accelerator, you feel that instant push, something only electric vehicles can offer. In terms of range, Tata is likely to equip the Sierra.EV with a high-capacity battery pack, giving you an estimated range of around 400 to 500 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long-distance travel. Fast charging support will also ensure that you spend less time waiting and more time driving. Safety has always been a strong point for Tata Motors, and the Sierra.EV is expected to continue that legacy with multiple airbags, advanced driver assistance systems, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a strong build quality that ensures maximum protection for passengers. Driving dynamics are expected to be smooth and stable, with a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, improving handling and ride comfort. Whether it's city traffic, rough roads, or highways, the Sierra.EV is built to handle it all with confidence. What makes the Tata Sierra.EV truly special is not just its features or performance, but the story it carries. A classic icon from the past, reimagined for the future, combining heritage with innovation in a way very few cars can achieve. This is not just another electric SUV entering the market. This is Tata Motors bringing back a legend and doing it in the most futuristic way possible. The Sierra.EV represents the direction of automotive innovation, where design, technology, and sustainability come together in perfect harmony. And here on UrbanMotoLab, we bring you closer to such innovations, giving you a complete experience of the cars that define the future. So, if you are someone who wants a car that stands out, offers cutting-edge technology, delivers strong performance, and carries a legacy with it, then the Tata Sierra.EV might just be the perfect choice for you. Because this is not just a drive, it's an experience, it's a statement, and it's the future of mobility.